All right, bless up on yourself, everybody. This is Daddy P, Just Bus TV. Today, I'm gonna give you a little quick tutorial or insight of how I make remixes. If I just pass on this knowledge, can't keep it out to myself. But basically, you gonna need to do a couple things. You're gonna need a DAW or a DJ program. Today, I gonna teach you how to do it in a DJ program. These are the little steps that I do. Interested to hear what people can make, So as I say, you need a little bit of knowledge, a little bit of music knowledge. You need to know your musical keys and stuff like that. So today, as I say, you can use DAW or a DJ program. Today I using Tractor Pro. Not Tractor, but Tractor. Serato DJ Pro. Tractor is the other one that you can use. I kind of like Serato right now. So, first things first, go to your settings and then change this setting here to classical key. I prefer it that way because it keeps it to the as I'm saying classical keys. C B or C D E F G A. These are the keys of a keyboard, and that thing just arrange it like it make you know what the keys are based on classical keys, which is a keyboard or any other instruments. If you know to play an instrument or something, you know. So basically, boom, back in here, you load up your iTunes, wherever you're storing music, you make Serato DJ Pro kind of analyze it, and then you'd basically get this view here, right? I hope this doesn't get copywritten, because I'm just trying to do this for educational purposes, but as you see, I set the thing to classical key and then I organize all the music by key, and you can go through and you see that, all right, yeah, all of these are in the same key. Just because something in the same key don't mean that it will work, but there's a high chance that it will, and it will sound good, for the most part. Sometimes it depends on the song, the type of beat that it's on, how the artist is performing. They might be singing double time, but the beat is like one time. So you kind of have to look out for those little differences. So just you kind of hear off rip. This is something that I made a little while back. Big up Cartel, but you don't know. Alright? And you can hear. Yeah, so right. That's the Vossi Bop and Vibes Cartel, those two they just work. So alright. Long talking. I'm not trying to make this a super long tutorial, but as I say, you find any songs that you think you want to remix together and you get it. I'm just taking my time here because I'm trying to not get copywritten. So, alright. This is a beat that my brethren did make. So we should be in the clear. Alright. 85. We're going to see. We're doing this kind of live. So yeah, set your marker. Oh, and then yes, the reason why I am using Serato is because it have this little function here where any track that you load in, you can mute the vocals or mute the beat alone. So you technically can make any acapella and get any instrumental when you're in Serato. All right, so this is our song that my version have, but I use it this beat. Yeah. So we're gonna try to find something to work with this. Preferably I want a dancer, but we're gonna find it. Alright, we're gonna see how Chronic sound on a DJ on a hip hop beat. So this is Chronic. So as I say, yeah. Set your Serato classical keys, arrange your playlist by the key so you can see what is in the same key, and then you try to find instrumental or songs that are similar in tempo. You don't want it. They can be like 5 BPM off, and then you'll be in the clear. But anything outside of that, it kind of sound unnatural. Trying to teach y'all how to do a natural remix, so it sound like somebody actually voicing on it. So it does take a little time for just go through. I never have. This is like not scripted at all. I'm just going through. I was like, let me just do a video and teach you how to do this the way I do it. So we can just have more remixes. I love remixes. They just bring more life to a song. A song could have been dead out 10 years and you do a remix and it just turn it up again. So all right, let's hear which Chronixx is this. I don't know if it get work. Oh, been left that scrutinized to the point where I had to ask. Alright, yeah, that might kind of work. Alright, we'll have to set the cue points. Alright, so right there, this is actually the one right here. So what we have to do, we have to edit the grid, clear this, set a new marker, and then let's listen if it's on tempo. Been left that scrutinized to the point where I had to ask who am I. Then I remember what they do to Christ. It was alright, that's good. And then I have to check back this one. This one's slightly off. You turn this down a little bit. Or is it? Big up Joe Fenton anyway there. Alright. So we want to edit this one too. You see, it's a lot. It's not so simple. But alright, we just nudge that. So in Serato, you have this little edit grid button here. I don't know why they make it so large, but it's up here. You have to select that so that you can shift the markers so everything can kind of snap to the grid, just be a little more precise. You can always if you had like a DJ turntable, you could kind of adjust it. And you can press these, you can press the plus or minus and adjust it if it's off, but you kind of want to make sure the acapella is gridded out proper, or what you get use as the acapella, the song that you want to use as acapella gridded out properly, and you want to also make sure the song that you use as instrumental is set out. So you go edit grid, you move these little markers here, you shift it so that this white line snap to this, and then you go set. Shit, I actually fucked up. Let's start this back. Should I hit save? So I have to go re-nudge this. Oh, lordy lord. Alright, so here, clear. Go back. Yeah, clear, and then you go set. So now you set the first marker. Whoop. and you run through. Right, I think this is good. It's looking good to me. You can't have to do this for like, at least 16 bars just to make sure it's good to go. Alright, then you hit save. So alright, boom. Save. Sorry about that. I screwed up. As I say, just doing this off the cuff just to see what is what. So I have what I use as the acapella up here. Alright. Why? Oh, I never set it. That's crazy.
To me, and what the point where
Alright, so boom. There, right there. We're not going to have any intro, so.
Been left that screwed.
Right? You have that the beginning point there, and then for this. Alright. So it's as simple as this. As I said, the BPM not too off is by 4. So you play the chronics. Think the instrumental to it. And then you bring everything back. And then as I say, you go here in this grid mode and I can turn off the rhythm for the chronics. Alright? So on the count of 3 and then you can go up here. I'll just record this. And then we got some boop. 1, 2, 3, and
been left that scrutinized to the point where I have to ask who am I. Then I remember what they do to Christ. He was nailed to a cross and crucified. Now that the light came to me, I wonder if they're gonna do the same to me.
Yep, and just
when
like
the truth hits painfully, that's when you know if you really who you claim to be. And for so long we've been denied, rejected and brutalized. But our children shall win the war.
Sometimes you might have to nudge it a little bit, but I think this is okay.
We are, listen, children. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I listen, children.
Yeah.
I listen, children. We are Ethiopians by blood. Africa was born in a house. Selassie children. Haile Selassie children.
Alright, and that's quick tutorial. Not that quick, it's like 15 minutes. I messed up a lot, but that's basically how you do it. In all honesty, I really never liked that, but it never really sounds so hot. But basically, this is the general way to do it. Make sure the tempos match and make sure the keys match. And once you have those two things, you can start to experiment and go through your playlists and see what actually works. Music is a feeling thing. It's not just about just putting two things together and then it work. It's never like that. So let's stop this. We can try the one more. As I say, it's hit or miss sometimes, but this is generally the formula. How I make my remixes. So sometimes I can sit down here for hours and I try like 10 things and only one of them really work for me. Some people might have liked that what I made, but I just did it for the tutorial. Literally I was just trying to find something that worked and wouldn't trigger any copyright strike. I really hope that Chronixx one don't give me no copyright strike. But you know, when you're doing music on YouTube, you have to be careful. But essentially, yeah, Serato, DJ Pro, baddest thing. You know, I say you can do it with other things. You could even, because of the recording function, you could make a acapella, record it. You know, and make sure the tempo is a specific tempo, and then find a rhythm, make the instrumental, record it, and then you can bring everything into Logic Pro Tools or Ableton. But yeah, that's in a nutshell is it. I'm here just trying to find if there's anything else. Let's go to our next key, cause that key it's not my favorite key. And then once you organize by key two, you get kind of realize that a lot of you figure out what songs are in what key, and you know, you get a little better understanding of which key is the hit key. So like A minor is like a super hit key, although you know musicians use almost every key. Definitely not doing none of them songs. Copyright strike ASAP. Let's see. Alright, F minor. Actually, like F minor. Let me see what is in here. Should I use that? Alright, I have my sister song. Ride for You. This might get content ID, you know. Jaja. Yeah, it's out now. Ride for You. Let's see. I already have it queued up too.
Voices.
Alright, take off that sync.
Voices in my.
Alright, let me see. Alright. So F minor 126. So we did a 80 something. Let's just do a 26. This is like a hip hop Jamaican girl and like a R&B kind of track. Missy J. You can go stream it now. Ride for You. Let's try find. So you see, I'm going through trying to find something close in tempo and in the same key. So if you're following me, you'd see that I'm not finding anything as yet. Not finding. Alright, Katy Perry, Swiss Rule, that way get us copyright strike. Alright. This is an unrelease. I can play the rhythm, so mute the vocals. Let's hear how this. Alright, so we're gonna do that, sync that up. Everything kinda synced together already. Alright, so we're gonna go. Have my cue points. Let's just record and we're going to see if it works. Check off the instruments, leave the vocal for this side, and then check off the vocal, leave the instrument. And let's just see how it sounds. Like I said, random, just pick two different stuff and then it's the same key, same tempo. And we're gonna see. Oh shit. Oh. 1, 2, 3.
All the voices in my head making noise, causing drama, telling me to tear it up, start some drama up in here. Looking real good, feeling real nice, body dripping all nice. See you watching me, but your girl don't like what you wanna do. Can spend the night, just come over. Know you like it when I pull you closer. Let's be the stars in our movie, yeah. Do you like it when I drop it low?
Alright, so that worked, but alright. Actually, we need to get it from the jump. So that's the timing. So this is our next thing. This is a good thing that this happened. So you need to make sure that the instrumental and the rhythm drop at the right time. You can't have something dropping on the third bar with something on a second bar or first bar. Everything like it. Music is counts of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You kind of want to get both of them to drop on one, you know. So that did sound weird a while ago. Let's see how this one sounds.
Voices in my head making noise, causing drama, telling me to tear it up, start some drama up in here. Looking real good,
Yeah.
looking real nice, but it's
Sound
looking all
better,
nice.
yeah.
So you're watching me, but your girl
That's
don't
a
like what you wanna do. Can spend the night, just come over. Know you like it when I pull you closer. Feeling on my body got me caught up. Can't keep your eyes off me, like a drug you're hooked on me. Let's be the stars in our movie, yeah. Do you like it when I drop it low? Bring it back and twist it in slow-mo. Know you got that thing to make me moan. Slower, slower, we going more.
It still never drop right on where it need to drop. But you guys get the idea from this though. As I say, y'all can experiment yourself. As I say, I'm not trying to get copyright strikes. I'm just finding some really random stuff. Let me see test. Definitely never liked that one either. Cheese and peas, but you don't know. You get the gist. Serato, tempo, key. Make sure everything drop on the one, and then you'll be able to get some stuff, you know. Understand? I have quite a bit. You can check out my SoundCloud or catch me on a Control Live. That's on the Catalog Music YouTube page, and then you'll hear some of my remixes. We get copyright strike over there all the time, so it don't matter. But I just don't want this video to get copyright strike. I want them to actually learn. But as I say, it's a 1-3. Which one could I play that might not get copyright strike? These are some test ones that I've done. Yeah, all of these use like some real international stuff, but you don't know. As I say, you get the gist. Kind of really don't want that copyright strike, but y'all try for yourselves, practice. What I do is I leave a link in the description for my SoundCloud, as well as some of the Control Live stuff that never get copyright strike. So, and you can check out the remixes that I have there. Well, as I said, it's a tutorial. Would like you to just try for yourself. I guess I can do a next remix video, maybe in Traktor, and then I can do one maybe in Ableton. But for now, yeah, this is it. Big up yourself. Thanks for taking the time out to pre the tutorial. And yeah, this is Daddy P, Just Buzz TV. How to make a remix with Serato DJ Pro.